Hello Internet. Got the battery here. Let's see if we can arrange for a multimeter on the battery there. $12.67. Still running a small coil, and at the moment I'm running 4 of the lamps on this one. Those 2 wires coming out the one strand of the coil, the inner one, and on the outer one, which is the white and the yellow one here, white there and yellow there, and I'm running 4 there. So 8 of them. On the battery, I didn't put the multimeter on here to see the amperage. And that is the scope. So, I suppose I can connect it up, but I know it's going to be exactly the same because the small coil consumes the same amount of power. No matter what happens to the big coil, the load doesn't come off the battery, it doesn't come off the transistor, it comes off the inductance caused inside this coil by the action of the transistor, if you understand what I'm saying. The inductance on that coil causes the current to flow in these 2 wires here, and that causes the current to flow inside the big coil, and that is the output from the big coil. So this is it. I don't know if do I really any case, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.